how to log in Gmail without the verification code. So if you want to log into your Gmail account without the verification code, then first you need to simply open up your mail application. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to log in Gmail without the verification code, then what you need to do is you need to simply remove the two-factor authentication, because if you have accessed the two-factor authentication on your Google account, then it will definitely ask you the code or the login code to your mobile number or to your email address. So simply go for the upper right of your profile, and here you can go for add another account and tap on Google and verify. And after verifying, here you need to enter your email or your phone number, and once you enter your email address, tap on next, and here you need to enter your password. So make sure to enter the correct password, and once you enter your password, tap on next again and tap on I agree. And once you tap on I agree, it will log you into your account if you have not turned on the two-factor authentication service on your Google account. So here you can see that. You can again go for the profile, which will be on the upper right, and now your account has been added. So tap on your account, and here you will have your account. So that's it. That's how you log in Gmail without the verification code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.